Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your Android phone faster or how to speed up your Android phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Android mobile phone, and if you want to speed up your Android mobile phone, I recommend you to clear the cache of your application. You can go to your setting. Wait, I'm going to open up my setting and we're going to go to the app setting. Open the app setting and choose some application that you want to clear the cache. You can focus on the application which has a big cache on it, and let's say the CapCut application has big cache, so I'm going to open the CapCut and then we can go to the storage. Okay, and we can click on clear cache, and you can do it to other applications in your Android mobile phone. I'm going to delete the app cache of YouTube. I'm going to open up YouTube and then go to the storage right here and then clear cache. Okay, and you're going to go to the device care as well. Go to the device care, and here you will be able to optimize your phone to make your Android phone faster. You can click on optimize now. Okay. Alright guys, and that's all the way to make our Android phone faster. I hope this trick will work on your phone. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.